Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base, and I'm here also this time to show you how great you can be, most especially in creativity. Did you know that Gravity AI can do so much amazing work for you? And you've been also seeing what is happening. Most people creating images, and those images are very attractive. They are very, storytelling, and you are here wanting to find out how to create your own image using your own information. So when we get to Gravity right here, you click in, of course, in your browser and put in gravitywrite.com, and then it will land you onto this, and we get to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Gravity Write. So when we go here, we click here, we go down, and we reach where we say create new image. So when we get here, we are going to prompt this to create an image. Okay, I would say create. Let's talk about an image of a beautiful girl, seated. Let's say a beautiful girl seated in the compound, peeling bananas. Okay, let's look at this. A beautiful girl seated in the compound, peeling bananas. Okay, on the side, there is on the side, let's create on the side, there is a dog waiting on her. Okay, let's see whether this image is going to be created within the next less than 10 seconds. So this is what happens. When the process is beginning. You can see it takes a little bit of little time, which is about less than 10 seconds. So look at this. Okay, look at this image that I've created. Okay, the little girl, okay, the beautiful girl, okay, seated with her bananas with her, and besides her there is a dog that is on her side. Okay, you see, I've created this image. Remember, when I create this image, it's me that has commanded this AI tool to make sure it gives me exactly what I want. Okay, now let's look at a family seated around the campfire as the grandfather tells them a story. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this, and let's see how fast to generate all these guys. Tells them a story. So let's look at this. It takes just less than 10 seconds, and we are able to get right what we need. Generating an image, an AI image that really depicts your story and tells your story how you want it. Look at this. A granny who is also seated with the family, of course, telling them a story around the campfire. So they're having a story, and everyone is enjoying the fire. So you see, all this is created by my command. How you command AI is the kind of picture that you're gonna generate. Let's look at this. A pregnant woman, carrying another young baby on her back. These are followed by a little pussycat. Okay, a little pussycat. Okay, so guys, I'm just trying to show you how easy this can be made in the shortest period of time, but meanwhile using Gravity AI. Gravity AI should be your partner and definitely should be your partner. Now, when I clicked on this, I knew there are some of the things that are not allowed. Okay, a pregnant woman carrying another young baby, a pregnant woman carrying a young baby. Okay, I'm going to edit it well here, and I'll show you what they don't allow. These are followed by a little pussycat. Okay, let me see where the problem is. Once they block it again, we'll show you that maybe this is not allowed. So let's look at this again. So here I'm trying to show you that your command can also result into not getting what you want, because remember, this is under development and there are certain things that they do not allow. So this is it. This is a mama who is pregnant and at the same time she's carrying a little baby. So guess what? This is how you command Gravity, right? To get you the picture or the images that you really need to use on your social media. So thank you so much, guys. If this information is vital for you, please follow my my YouTube channel, subscribe to each, and please share to those who would want to get all this information as we look forward to improving our social media by creating those right images for our own work. Thank you and have a great day.